Hi there. Welcome to a Kontentino tutorial on link shortener. The link shortener allows you to transform long URLs into more manageable, shorter versions. This not only enhances the aesthetics of your posts, but also tracks click-through rates effectively. Let's start by creating or editing a post. Click the link icon in the copy field, then select Add New. Now, enter the original URL you wish to shorten. You can also add a name for your link to identify it later easily. Select a domain from the drop-down list for your link. Customize the latter part of your URL by entering a custom URL suffix. Decide whether this will be a global link, which will be available across all your profiles in Kontentino, or specific to the current profile. Now, add UTM tags to track the performance of your link in detail. Click Save, choose Shorten, and then Insert to add the link to your post. If you wish to use an already existing shortened link, insert it into the text of your post, where you find it relevant. You can also copy it to your clipboard or see the statistics to monitor the performance and engagement of your link. You also have the option to edit or delete the link at any time to keep your Kontentino setup up to date. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support. We'll be happy to help.